Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Tafsira Ikramuddin Jinabade. I am from Junidia PU Arts Girls College, Kochi. Today I will talk about the 5th chapter of Political Science. The chapter name is Nation Building and Challenges to Indian Democracy. Firstly, I will explain nation building and challenges to Indian democracy. The process of nation building started with the attainments of independence. However, during implementation, the modern leader had to face numerous problems associated with national reconstruction, resulting in slow process. The meaning of nation building. Nation building is a wide-ranging process to build a viable, cohesive, well-organized and widely acceptable society. Then the next point is challenges to Indian democracy. Indians have proved that democracy can work effectively in a diversified country with challenges like inequality, illiteracy, communalism, terrorism and first challenge is inequality. Inequality means denying opportunities and privileges to some classes, making discriminations on the basis of caste, religion, gender, birthplace, etc. Gender-based inequality. Discrimination is made on the basis of men and women, denying equal opportunities to the inferior sex are called gender-based inequality. Gender-based inequality in family, economic, cultural, educational and political field are seen. Second challenge is illiteracy. Illiteracy means inability of a person to read and write in any language. Causes. First cause, population explosion. Second, poverty. Third, social backwardness. Fourth, child labor. Third challenge is communalism. Communalism is an ideology of the followers of one particular religion consider the followers of other religion as inferior. Fourth challenge is terrorism. Terrorism may be defined as pre-planned, well-organized act of intimidation and illegal violence by the trained group of individuals. Causes. First cause, separatist movement. Second, religious fundamentalism. Third, weak political system. Fourth, economic deprivation. The last challenge is corruption. According to J.S. Navy, corruption is a behavior which deviates from the form of public rule because of private regarding. Second meaning, as misuse of authority for the considerations of personal gains. Causes. First cause, greediness. Second, selfishness. Third, corrupt politician. Fourth, lack of morality. Very big thanks to our respected teacher who has motivated us, Mrs. Shaheen Nawaz. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share my video.